Hey everyone, it's Melanie from EnjoyFreebies.com, and it's a new year and I'm trying out some new purple hair. What do you think? Where are my no eyebrow girls at right now? I think I see you. I think I see you there. Today I'm trying out this product called SureThik Eyebrow Thickening Fibers, and in honor of this special occasion I decided to put on a matching shirt. No, not really. It just happens to match the box. And how nice of Amazon to put a freaking label right on the front of the box. Let's get this thing off. Okay, so much for that. So if you've seen my previous videos, you know that I don't have any eyebrows. You can see I decided to wear makeup today because I know that you guys are so sick of seeing me without makeup. So in order to not scare you, I decided to put on a full face of makeup except for the brows. And we are gonna try this product together. This is my very first time using it. Here, stupid label. We're gonna try this product for the first time today and hope that maybe this might be an answer to our no eyebrow problem. So this is what the box looks like. And this is the back. Now I have never used this product before, and I hope I don't screw it up. But this is what it looks like inside. They have a cute little mirror there. Do you see yourself? Hi, say hi. And a little guide here. It says thick is in. Is it really now? We'll find out, I guess. And it has some instructions on how to use the product. And inside the box we have two little plastic tubs. This is a little tub of wax and a little tub of the fibers. I got the dark brown color because, I don't know, I thought that might work for me. And also a little brush with two different brush heads. We have a round brush head here and an angled brush head here. So what you're supposed to do is supposed to put this little wax on, yeah, that's nice, on your eyebrows and then brush the fibers on top of it. So let's try this out together, okay? All right, so I'm gonna put my hair up so we can do this. First thing we're going to want to do is slide the angled end of the applicator brush over the wax. Evenly apply wax to the brow shaping as you go. Okay, so I don't know, we'll try this. It might be a little difficult because I'm not actually following any lines, but here I'm putting the wax on the brush. Okay, so let's try this out. And I hope it's going where I want it. Now it's almost invisible, so I guess you need to just figure out where you're gonna put it. Maybe I should make it a little bit thicker. All you guys always yell at me about making my brows too thin, so I'm trying a little bit thicker. It makes it hard though because you can't, when you have no eyebrows, you can't really see where you're putting it. So I'm just kind of guessing. I'm not even sure really how much I'm supposed to put on. So dip the rounded end of the applicator brush into the thickening fibers and dab on your brows, filling in sparse areas. Well, I have no brows, so the whole thing is sparse. So, all right, there's a little protective cap on this. I'm going to take that off. Oh my goodness, I hope this works. I guess I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. Okay, am I missing something? Like, I don't see any fibers on this. Nothing is coming out on this thing. I don't know if I'm doing this wrong. I'm not getting anything. I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna remove this whole cap here because nothing's coming out of that little hole. So I just took off that cap. Oh my gosh, it's probably gonna get all over my clothes now too. Okay, here's the little rounded brush. I'm dipping it in the powder. Okay, okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. The hell is that on my face? What? It feels like I'm putting ashes on my eyebrows. You guys, I don't even know if I'm doing this right. I mean, I did the instructions just like it said. Ugh. They're like, oh my god, this is so weird. It's like putting dust on my face. What? This sucks. Wow. Alright. It does look like little tiny hairs, I guess. It almost looks like, oh shit, it's getting on my face too. It almost looks like 5 o'clock shadow on my eyebrows. Look at that. Look at that. See that little ball of lint thing that's coming off of it? Yikes. I feel like I'm putting my husband's shavings in the sink on my eyebrow. He leaves enough hairs in his sink. Maybe I might as well just do that and pick my own eyebrows with his clipping. I know that's gross, huh? I'm very disappointed. Alright guys, I gave up on that product. I just used my regular powder for it. But you know what? If you're interested in this product, I'll put the link up on my video below. It's probably perfect for 13-year-old boys going through puberty to fill in some of that growing in mustache on your face. Maybe you can use it to cover a couple bald spots on your head. I don't know, but unfortunately, this is a big thumbs down from me. Good thing I didn't pay for it. Oh wait, I did! So yeah, I'm actually gonna be probably returning this back to Amazon and try to keep my eyes open for something else. And if worse comes to worse, you can always just cut bangs like me and cover up your non-existent brows. It also works great for wrinkles. If you'd like to see more product reviews and how-tos, please subscribe to my channel. I'm this close from hitting 1,000 subscribers, and I would really appreciate your support. I also have a blog, and you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. And if you know of any products that I should try, please leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear what products you're using or would like to see me try out for you. So as always, thank you so much for watching.